All right, welcome to our last lesson in our fractions unit. This one is on dividing mixed numbers. So find this page in your note packet. It should be the very end of the note packet. If you don't have your note packet, pause and go ahead and write this stuff down, and then we're going to kind of fill it in together. So the key to dividing mixed numbers is we're going to kind of combine all the different skills we've been practicing throughout this whole fractions unit. So our first step every time we get to a mixed number division problem is just like multiplication. We're going to change those mixed numbers to improper fractions. So that's step number one. So I'm going to come down and do that here for my first example. So 3 3/4. I'm going to do 3 times 4 is 12, plus 3 is 15/4. 5 times 8 is 40. Plus 5 is 45/8. So that's step one. But it's still a division problem. So now I got to deal with that. So now we're going to change the division to multiplication and flip the second fraction. Remember, that's how we rewrite our division problems. So I'm going to rewrite it. First fraction stays the same. Division becomes multiplication. And now I flip that second fraction. So it becomes 8/45. And now I'm going to cross multiply and multiply like usual. Now that it's a multiplication problem, I don't have the mixed numbers anymore. Now I can just go ahead and multiply. So here, 15 and 45 could each be divided by 15. Maybe you divided them each by 5. That's okay. I like to go as big as I can just to save myself some time. 4 and 8 can each be divided by 4. So same cross simplifying we've done before. And then when I'm done, I go ahead and multiply. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3. Simple as that, okay? But kind of 3 steps at a time. Oh, sorry, Siri was trying to talk to me there. Oh, no, go away. All right, so step 1, turn them into improper fractions. Step 2, rewrite the division problem as multiplication. Step 3, cross simplify and go ahead and multiply. So scroll down, or not scroll down, you just go down on your piece of paper, and let's do one more. So this one's not in your notes, but I want you to write this problem down, and then we're going to go through it together. All right, so step 1, change them to improper fractions. So 3 times 8 is 24, plus 3 is 25/8. 2 1/4, 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9/4. But it's still a division problem, okay? And some of you are going to try to be a hero and try to rewrite it as a multiplication problem all at the same time. And what happens is you end up missing something. So slow down, take your time. It's a division problem. So step 2 is rewrite it as a multiplication problem. First fraction stays the same. Division becomes multiplication. And I flip that second fraction. So it becomes 4/9. Oh, I realized I made a mistake. My bad. 3 times 8 is 24, plus 3 is 27. Sorry, some of you might have been yelling at me about that one. See, even math teachers make mistakes. Sorry, that should have been 27/8. And now we look to cross simplify. So once we've taken care of the mixed numbers, once we've taken care of the division and flipped that second fraction, now I can cross simplify. So 8 and 4 could both be divided by 4. So I get a 1 and a 2. Remember, not every problem is going to have a whole lot for you to cross simplify, and that's okay. You just look for as much as you can find. 9 and 27 can both be divided by 9. Maybe you were going to divide them by 3. That's okay. So 9 divided by 9 is 1. 27 divided by 9 is 3. And then you go ahead and multiply. 3 times 1 is 3. 2 times 1 is 2. And then this time I can't simplify it, but it is an improper fraction, so I need to make it into a mixed number. 2 goes into 3 one time. If I took away one group of 2, that's taking away 2. 3 minus 2 leaves me with 1 left over. So 1 and 1/2. That's how you divide mixed numbers.